Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm coming to make Ghana Shito. Ghana Shito, the easiest way and simple way of making Ghana Shito. I've got my turmeric, my thyme, my crayfish, my shito, the pepper, the shrimp powder, onion red and then white, garlic, ginger. I've got the thyme, pepper, and I've got cloves, I've got Maggi, and then some spicy, and I've got my I'm blending my spices now. I've got my onions, I'm blending them, everything, all the things that I've showed you, I'm blending them before I'll start making my shito. There's the onions, I'm blending the onions, but I'm not adding water, I'm adding oil to blend it. I'm adding oil to blend it because I don't want my shito to be too watery, and then I don't want it to take too long of cooking. So I'm adding oil to blend it together. So all the spices that I showed you guys, I'm blending everything together, and then I'm going to start making my shito. I'm using coconut oil because normally when you are doing the shito it takes a lot of oil, so I'm using coconut oil to make my shito. I've got my organic coconut oil. I'm taking like about 8 to 10 spoons that I'm using over here, 8 to 10 spoons, making sure everything melts before I start adding my blended spices. So these are my spices: the onion, the thyme, the ginger, the garlic, everything in here. I've blended it and I'm adding it. So that's the start of my shito. Yeah, I'm stirring it together. I'm going to leave it to cook for like about 10 to 15 minutes before I'll add. Yeah, now I'm adding my tomato paste. I'm adding my tomato paste. This time I don't want my shito to be too spicy, so I'm adding more tomato paste to it so that my shito will not be too spicy. Adding my crayfish, I'm going to add my shrimp pepper and my shito. Yeah, that's the shrimp pepper, the crayfish, the shrimp pepper. I'm adding it, and then when I finish I'm going to add the pepper, and it's going to be done. So I've added everything together, my crayfish, my pepper, and then my shrimp I've added. So that's the beginning of the shito. I'm adding a bit of salt, and I've got my MAGGI cube over there, salt to taste. I'm adding a bit of turmeric so that it's going to give me a bit of calorie and then make it taste good. So my easiest way of making my shito, not too much ingredients. So now I'm going to leave it to cook for like about 20 to 30 minutes and it will be done. So guys, you see how my shito is looking now. It's looking so amazing, tasting so good. The aroma of the shito in my kitchen, it's so good. This is the end of my shito. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you again another time. Bye.